Hello everyone. See this practice set 1.1 similarity. In that, the question number 2, the question 1 is simple. Each and every sum I will not solve, but some important questions I will definitely solve. Those which you can do, I will not solve. Now you can take this sum. What is there in this sum is, these are the two triangles ABC and ABD. In that, what is given? BC perpendicular AB and AD perpendicular AB. Means this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Again, what is given? BC is 4. This is BC. This is 4 cm given, 4 given, not cm. 4 units given. AD is 8. AD is 8. And then we have to find the ratio of the areas of two triangles ABC and ADB. This triangle. So now we have seen two theorems. Ratio of the areas of two triangles having same base are equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. One another theorem, the ratio of the two triangles, areas of two triangles having same heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Here the heights are different. If you take BC as the base, then AB will be the height. If you take AD as the base, AB will be the height. So both the ways you can fit this sum. If you take AB as the height, it is the height for both. If you take AB as the base, then height of this is this and height of this is this. Both the ways you can do this sum. But we will say that AB is the base of both the triangles, which is common. So solution, base AB is common for triangles ABC and triangle ADB. The base is common. I have taken AB as the base. If AB is the base for this triangle, BC will be the height. And for this triangle, AD will be the height. We know that the ratio of the areas, we have to write the statement, ratio of the areas of two triangles having same base or having common base is equal to the ratio of whose heights, because the base is common, ratio of their corresponding heights. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle, which is that ABD is equal to their corresponding heights. For triangle ABC, what is the height? BC. So its height BC upon, for ABD, which is the height AD, so upon AD. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ABD or ADB they have asked, ADB they have asked, I will not change the sequence, ADB EDB is equal to value of BC is 4 upon ED is 8. 4 1 जा 4 2 जा. Therefore, this value has come area triangle ABC upon area triangle EDB is equal to 1 upon 2. So, hope you have understood this. I will give you some time for writing. Be fast. And if the video is not clear, then please call me, or in your comment section you can write, sir, video is not very much clear, or anything, whatever it is. If the voice quality is not proper, that you can tell me. This was question number 2. Hope you have done this. Now we will move for question number 3. In question 3, a figure, from figure you will see that it is a very complicated figure, but it is not so. This is P, this is S, this is R, there is one point Q over here, join this, and from this a perpendicular is drawn, T. In this, what, who is perpendicular to who, which side, and all this is given. Here this is also perpendicular. So what is given is RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6, and PR is equal to 12. Find QT. This is the question. Definitely this is the question on the ratios of the areas. The lesson itself is describing about that. So first option that we will see solution. First of all, we will locate this. What is asked that I have not written. Then find QT. Yes, I have written. QT is the height of triangle PRQ. See this. Triangle PRQ, for this height is QT. When the base is PR, note this very properly. What is by base and what is meant by height? When I am using base as PR, which is the perpendicular from the opposite vertex, is called as the height. So QT is the perpendicular on this side. So this is the base and this is the height, QT. Again, for triangle PRQ, there is another height also. When the base RQ, for base RQ, perpendicular from the opposite vertex from P is this. So PS is the height. So areas of the two triangles, base is same, but the bases are different at this time. Now if I take this triangle PRQ, area of the triangle I can find. When base is PR, then area of the triangle PRQ. When PR is the base, height height is QT. Note this. When PR is the base, height is QT. Area triangle, which is that PRQ. Area triangle PRQ. Don't say PRQ. PRQ is 1 upon 2 into base, which is the base, PR is the base, into height is QT. Therefore, area triangle PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into PR is given to be 12 into QT. QT is not known, that we have to find. 2 1 the 6. Therefore, area triangle PRQ is equal to 6 QT. This is our number 1. Now the same triangle, if I take this RQ as the base, height will be PS. When QR is the base, which is the height? Height is PS. Height is PS. Therefore, area triangle PRQ is equal to, area triangle PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height, but now the base is QR. So 1 upon 2 into QR into, when I am taking QR as the base, what is that height? PS. Base means what? On this, from where? From the opposite vertex, the perpendicular should be drawn. This is the base. From P it is the perpendicular. So it has to be extended because this is the obtuse angle triangle. In the obtuse angle triangle, this height will go outside. So height will be PS. That is equal to 1 upon 2 into QR. This is given. RQ. RQ means 6. Into PS is how much? PS is also 6. 6. 2 1 are 3. That is equal to 18 square units. Number 2. Therefore, I will write this area triangle PRQ. Okay. Now this is also the area of the triangle PRQ. This is also the area of the triangle PRQ. So these both of the PRQs will be same. So 6QT is equal to 18 from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Therefore, now this 6 is into, it will go upon. QT is equal to 18 upon 6. Therefore, QT is equal to 6 3 is 18. So this way, the answer should be. Hope that this is very clear to you and you can see it. Note it down. Here I will close this video, and another 2 sums from the same exercise I will try to solve. This is a very important question. All these questions which are being solved are very important. Each and every question you should be in a position to solve.